Having a really cool theme like this on your iPhone has never been easier. You can actually install this with one click on your device. It's very smooth, it looks really good, and of course it makes your iPhone look totally different. So in today's video, I will show you guys how to achieve this, and as you will see, it is actually very simple. So right here we have a few different icons. Of course, all of them will work. We can just go ahead and open any app we want, and they work really smooth. The way to do this, to install these and to actually even remove these from your device, is very simple. All you have to do is follow the link right down below in the description of the video. It will take you to your App Store app where you can install this app called Next Icon. Now the app offers you some really good themes for your device, and they're packs of icons, so you don't need to install the icons one by one. With one tap, you have a full theme installed on your device. The way it works, you just find here the theme that you want, which one you like, you tap on it. Right here it shows you the icons, so you tap on install, it shows you the number of icons that it has. You tap on the install button right there, and what you will see right here is this part where you tap on install icons, and then it will ask to download a profile. And now you will need to go to your settings app and just install that profile, and that way you will have that full theme installed on your device. So there we have the profile. It will be at the top of your settings app. You tap on install, enter your passcode right here. And once you have done that, you can install it from here, and there you go. You will have now all these new icons installed on your device. How cool is that? Now you will notice right here, when I try to open an app from these icons, it will have like a kind of redirection that it does, but you can actually fix that, and it's very simple to do. I will show you guys how to do that. Just simply head on to your settings app. On the settings app, head on to under accessibility and go to motion. You can see here what I'm talking about. So when I open an app, you can see that redirection that it does. If we just go ahead and head on right here under motion and enable reduce motion, that actually will be removed. And now whenever you open an app from here, it has this like really smooth transition. As you can see, it's actually pretty cool, and they do work really fast. Now what's really cool is that it does also of course work with the customization on the iPhone right here. So if you want to make these larger, you can actually make them, and also remove the labels, which actually looks really awesome. So this is how you install a full theme on your iPhone with just one click. Now whenever you want to remove it, you will have here a few different things that you can do. So if you just want to remove certain icons, like delete them, you can just delete them, as easy as that. Or if you want to completely remove the theme from your device, all you have to do is get back to your settings, and then on settings, just go to general right here, scroll all the way down. You will have here VPN and device management, and then right here you will find the pack of icons that you have installed, basically the profile. You click right here to remove the profile, and once you have done that, you tap again on remove right here, and there you go. You can see now we have actually completely removed those icons that we installed from the device, as easy as that. So that is it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and found it helpful. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe for more. I'll see you guys on the next one.